Hey guys, today I am going to be harvesting our shallots. I planted them about 4 months ago. Now I don't actually think they're quite ready, but we have also had 4 months of drought. We've had some rain this last week and quite a bit actually, so now my new concern is that they're going to start rotting. We're also going away for 3 weeks, so I'm rather going to just harvest them and use them while I can, as opposed to lose them altogether. So let's take a look and see what we actually managed to get. So they're quite small, so I'm assuming I could definitely have gone a bit longer with these, but given that we're going to be away for quite a while, I thought best just to make use of them now. And they smell amazing. They smell a bit like a spring onion. So I actually think, even though they're tiny, I still think they did fairly well. So I planted 5 bulbs, but if you watch that video, you'll remember that one of the bulbs was actually compromised, and I planted it anyway, but it's no surprise that it didn't do anything. Now, if your shallots have not already been separated into individual bulbs, you need to make sure you carefully break them apart. As I bought a pack, it came with 5 bulbs already. Well, that's a little bit frustrating. This one is completely soft and I think no good. Look, I'm gonna plant it anyway. You just never know. So we've got 100% success rate here in my books, and like I say, the smell is incredible. So I am going to rinse these off and then just let them dry for a bit, maybe just a couple of days, and then we're going to try and use them up before we go away. But let me know your tips and tricks and any secrets you have to growing shallots. Have I pulled them out too early? Has the drought/rain compromised them in any way? But for a first go, I'm really happy.